Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings everyone. Viva DNA presents to you DNA Adventure!
Students have difficulties in understanding certain topics in Biology Semester 1. Hence, we asked them, which is the hardest chapter for them to understand?
Chapter 6. Chapter 6.
Chapter 6. Chapter 6. Chapter 6.
Chapter 6.
Chapter 6.
Chapter 6.
Now for objectives, we hope to enhance students' comprehension toward Chapter 6 to help students identify the learning methods and also to help students easily access Chapter 6 materials. Viva DNA gives you a block. When students enter the block, there are different sections. In the first page, it helps students to identify which learning method suits them. In this block, we include kinesthetic, visual, auditory, and logical. Which are you? For visual learners, we have prepared for you
Did you know
animation.
that every time your body builds a protein, it goes through an incredible journey called translation?
Wow, the animation is so good,
Yeah.
Now, for auditory learners, we give you lyric video.
Promoter binds, DNA unwinds, hydrogen bonds break, strands align. One strand's the guide, it's a key. RNA starts at the template.
Damn, I actually remember. Bind on one and start the show.
The song is very catchy and you can kind of groove to it.
The song is very catchy.
Actually, the song is easy to remember.
How it's done.
For logical learners, we present to you online games.
Wow, this is actually so addictive.
Now, for kinesthetic learners, we prepared for you, guess what? These board games require multiple players. Each players will have a chance to choose a mystery card.
Each players will take turns to ask yes or no questions to narrow down the options. The first one who guesses correctly will win.
It is definitely a game where you have to study for it live. It's not for the weak.
Basically, in my opinion, I think this game is really helpful for me to memorize all this stuff, and it's a fun way of learning.
While playing this game, I think this is a really cool and fun way for me to learn bio. Because this combines a lot of things that I need to learn bio, like memorizing techniques, but it also tests my knowledge and how I apply these biological terms.
I think this game is actually quite fun. It has a learning curve to it, but once you get the hang of it, well, I think it's very effective.
Stay tuned for Viva DNA Innovation!